Hi everyone, my name is Michael Adibe. I'm actually an independent business owner with Wake Up Now in my full-time position, or should I say I'm actually a CEO of my own company, marketing firm, okay? Now, a lot of people have been talking about Wake Up Now. Is it a scam? Is it real, okay? Are the products and services good or are they bad, okay? So I just want to give insight on that by giving y'all guys an overview of my account. So giving you direct access to my account when I'm logged in, okay? So as you can see right here, that's my name up here. Now this first page that we're looking at is the first page that pops up when you log in, and that's the marketplace, okay? Now the marketplace, what that allows you to do is look at deals that they have going on, okay? That Wake Up Now has to offer. Obviously, you can see this Fuji camera here, HDMI cable. Click on the arrow here. You can search through a variety. I'm talking about thousands of products that you're actually able to get access to, okay? And the great part about it is they're at discounted rates, okay? Now, the cool part about it is when you actually click on share, okay? When you click on share, okay, I'm gonna show y'all right now. You can actually share this option or this deal on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or even email, okay? And the cool part about it is it doesn't matter where the individual is in the world. They click on your link. It actually has a cookie that's attached to your account. So when they make a purchase of a product, you will receive cash back. It doesn't matter where they are in the world, doesn't matter how old the link is, okay? It's attached to your account. And this is phenomenal, okay, guys? Now, making money when other people shop, okay? And also providing a service that allows you to pay less for the products. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. All right, so now I want to show y'all the deal stream, okay? The deal stream is an extension of the marketplace, and it'll provide some other products that Wake Up Now has to offer. And one of the products they have to offer is Awaken Tropical Burst or Citrus Rush. Okay, this is a natural burst of energy. It's good for you, okay, guys? So you have an option there to share it as well. Now let me go back here to the main screen. All right, so that's how you go back to the home. And now once I get back here, I'm gonna click on local here, okay? Now on local, you're actually able to look up deals in your local area, okay? So everybody shops, okay? And if you shop like me, you're shopping on a daily basis. I eat a lot, okay? Now if anybody that likes, go grocery shopping and wants to save money, this is the ultimate tool for you. This is all you have to do. You type in your zip code, and my zip code is already pre-populated in there because I used it earlier. All right, so what's going to happen here is it's going to give you access to over 283 coupons for that particular day here in my zip code. Okay, so I'm from Houston, but I live here in Abilene, Texas. That's where my marketing firm is at. So let's type in a Houston zip code. All right, so getting coupons for your zip code. And in that area, you can see here it has a lot more, obviously a lot bigger city, but 328 coupons that are available for that particular zip code, for that particular day. And you can go look at this stuff here, okay? And the great part about it is these are generic coupons. So in other words, if you shop at Target, continue shopping at Target, you use the coupons there. You shop at Walmart, you shop at Kmart, it doesn't matter where you shop at, continue shopping at those stores that you shop at. And what's gonna happen here is, it's gonna allow you to put yourself in a position to clip that coupon, and watch what's gonna happen here. Now it says clipped. So let's go ahead and take a look right up here, okay? Now, as you can see here, it shows me 25 cents, because that's how much that coupon is going to save me off of that particular product. So now let's say I click on this one, okay? Eventually clipped, and now you can see here it's changed to $1.25. At the end of your shopping, as far as with your coupons and exploring what coupons that you want to print out, you click on print out coupons, and now you go and save that money. Okay, now it has other services as well, as far as premiums that allow you to get rental cars, hotels, all at discounted rates. This is just phenomenal. Okay, so now let's take a look here at one of the most, I can't even say one of the most valuable tools. There's a lot of valuable tools here, but this right here is pretty exciting. I love to travel personally, okay, and I know a lot of people love to travel, especially to be able to pay less. I know traveling is a very, very expensive cost, when you're trying to go places and you want to enjoy and have fun. So people don't travel as much because of time and money. Okay, so now here's where we're going to eliminate the money aspect by giving you phenomenal deals here. This vacation club gives you deals up to 88% off Okay, so let's look at some examples here. Let's look at Hot Weeks. Okay, now under the Hot Weeks, it's going to give you deals here. Okay, you can go look up these places here. Costa Rica, go look up these exact places here, and you look at the prices for yourself. Okay, now the regular price here is $1,260. You can check Travelocity, Expedia. Obviously, the price is going to vary, but that's going to be the price range you're going to find them at. Now, when you're an independent business owner with Wake Up Now, and you purchase the Vacation Club, a one-time activation of $90, you're now able to take advantage of these deals here. Look at you. You're talking about getting a deal for $807 off, $419. That's a phenomenal savings right there. Utah, Salt Lake City. Okay, so you can scroll down here, some deals here. This pop-up came up again here, no worries. All right, but Hot Weeks here. You look at the resorts. Okay, Costa Star. Okay, Mexico. The regular price $1,100. Okay, get it for $419. Another place, regular price $1,000. $120. These deals are phenomenal here. Okay, and they're provided to you. Okay, all right. So let's go back here to Vacation Home. Okay, and I'm waiting for it to pop up here. You're able to look at hotels and cruises. You got resources. You're able to check out deals that are 60 days out. Okay, so I can spend an hour talking about Vacation Club in itself. It is phenomenal. Me personally, I had the opportunity to go to Jamaica the latter part of the year of 2013. In 2012, I went to Puerto Rico, and in 2011, I went to Puerto Rico as well. Travel, I promise you, travel. You have experiences in life that will change you forever. Phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. Okay, now let's go look at some other products. Okay, let's see here. We have the TaxBot service. Okay, now the TaxBot is a phenomenal tool. It is phenomenal. Okay, and what the TaxBot allows you, this is where it's based on my computer. Okay, let me go ahead and log in right now so I can actually see it how it is on the computer. It actually has an app that's connected. To your phone. Okay, and what that app, what it does here, it will actually track your mileage through a GPS. Okay, bite-sized app, and once it pops up here, I'll be able to show you what it looks like on the computer. Okay, let's see here. All right, so now we're logged in. Okay, my TaxBot, and I'm able to take a look here, and as you can see here, these are my expenses based off the category and description right there for you. Okay, and has everything broken down for you. It's itemized. Okay, has the address, everything for you, tracks everything through your GPS, through your app. Okay, so obviously not able to see my phone because I have a screenshot on my computer, but this shows you my estimated tax deductions to this day, March 21st, 2014, $249. Now, when I actually put stuff in my app on the phone, obviously it's connected to here. Now, why is this tool valuable to you? People overpay on taxes anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 a year if they're an independent business owner. And the reason for that is because you got to keep track of all these receipts, all these things they're able to write off. And let's be honest, keeping receipts in a glove compartment, which is what I'm was accustomed to doing prior to this here, it got messy. You're talking about having over 2,000 receipts at the end of the year. Now I would have to get to my CPA to go ahead and mark off these tax deductions. Obviously, it wasn't fun for the CPA. Okay, so now I got a bite-sized app that tracks everything for me and has an IRS compliant cloud that stores everything for me. So it bulletproofs me. Okay, in other words, I'm protected against an audit because everything is itemized. Everything is tracked. Everything. People don't realize this here. If you're not a business owner or independent business owner of Wake Up Now, you're losing thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single year. Okay, and what I mean by that here is there's things that you're not able to write off. Okay, example, going to get your hair cut. All right, going out to eat. You know, maybe going to a restaurant. You know, me personally, I like Benny Hans. Okay, you might like to shop at McDonald's. I'm joking, by the way, but the reality is, as long as you're eating out, you're able to write those things off. Okay, and they'll track it for you. So no more having to keep receipts. No more none of that. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, now banking, all that stuff for you, gives you reports, breaks everything down for your trips, has everything itemized for you. No questions asked, and they'll provide a tutorial for you that actually help you maximize all 450 tax write-offs. You can write off entertainment. There's things that people don't even realize they can write off. An example, as long as you had a business endeavor, okay, within a 24-hour period, you had entertainment, like maybe going to the movies, going to, I was about to say Astroworld. Obviously, Astroworld is no longer in existence, but going out to Disneyland, Disney World, whatever the case may be, as long as within a 24-hour period, you could actually write off that entertainment expense. Crazy, crazy, crazy. People don't realize how much money you're losing being a W-2 employee. All right? So please, please, please listen carefully. This stuff will change your life forever. Okay? Now, it also has a finance software. It's called Wake Up Now Finance. And what Wake Up Now Finance allows you to do, it allows you to get out of debt in half of the time. It aggregates all of your financial streams income as far as your banking information, online banking, and all your debt into one chart, okay, which will track everything there for you. I'm not going to log in because I know it's going to take a little bit more time there, but the reality is it helps you manage your debt, okay? It tells you step by step which debt to knock out first. I'm sorry, I've never seen a software like this here before. There's other softwares out there that track your expenses and stuff like that and all your debt, but this software right here tells you, based off the amount of interest and amount of debt, which debt to knock out first, step by step. And that's the reason why this software by itself is worth being an independent business owner with Wake Up Now. That software by itself, phenomenal. People have student loans, and we can go on and on and on about debt, okay? Now, next thing I want to show you is Protect, okay? There's a protection software that will protect you, your identity. There's so many identity things out there, guys. They're out there every single day looking to steal your identity and capitalize on your money, capitalize on your credit. Okay, guys, this is very, very big business right now, identity protection, and this is provided to you with your Wake Up Now Independent Business Owner Platinum subscription. Okay, now it also protects your computer as well, as you can see here, and gives you tech support. Okay, so there's a lot of different things there that it provides for you. Okay, and I'll scroll down there so you can actually take a look at that stuff there and see the stuff that it provides for you. Okay, so these things here are very, 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 very important. If you don't have identity protection, guys, you definitely want to look at that 911. Okay, all right, so now let's take a look here at the newsstand. Okay, now the newsstand will allow you to be able to get subscriptions to magazines. It gives you a limited amount of subscriptions that's provided to you at no charge for being an independent business owner. I know a lot of times people subscribe to these magazine subscription services that will give you some great deals and they'll allow you to get that stuff there, and you get some free stuff, and then at that point they start to charge you. Okay, well here you get up to $340 every single month. Okay, and you can go ahead and check. Okay, you can change the page right there. As you can see here, these are different magazines that are provided here. So I'll give you a full screen of that, and you can just go there. Okay, it's obviously 17 pages, which y'all can see there with your own eyes, are provided to you. Okay, so these things are beneficial to people, or they're not beneficial to people. It just depends on if you're a magazine person. Okay, some great stuff there for you. Okay, all right. So now the last few things I want to talk about here is the mobile discount. This is phenomenal. Just for being an independent business owner of Wake Up Now with the Platinum subscription, you actually will be able to receive a 22% discount off of your AT&T bill. You also receive 12% off of T-Mobile. Okay, this stuff is phenomenal, guys. This is part of your membership. This is part of it. Okay, so now the office, once again, this is now you're involved in the business and you're building a business. Okay, so it has access to my organization, resources, different events, the one store, my account, so I can transfer my commissions, all that type of stuff that's provided to you with your Wake Up Now account. Guys, believe it or not, this is real. It's up to you to decide that. Anybody that knows me, they know that I'm a credible individual, and I have too much to lose here by providing something that is a scam. And it's funny when I hear the word scam associated with something. It's crazy how people are skeptical about an opportunity that will allow them to walk away from their job. It is crazy, okay? But they'll quickly take a job that pays them $8 an hour. They'll quickly take a job without question. All right. Now, my objective in life is to give back to as many people as humanly possible. I want to impact as many human lives as humanly possible throughout my lifetime. My life's resume is going to be built on how many people are successful through my knowledge, through my mentorship, and that right there is where I get great gratitude in that regard. Okay. So right now, I have one of the fastest growing teams in Wake Up Now. And I'm very, very excited. Anybody that joins my team will definitely receive a lot of training, will receive a lot of mentorship. And my goal is for every single individual on my team to make no less than $600 a month. Okay. Now, I almost forgot here. This is pretty cool. Okay. I see people, advertise their Jordans online all the time. Okay. So here is the Wake Up Now Hub Life. Yeah, you're able to get Jordans. Okay, let's look at show me more results. All right, y'all guys will be blown away. There are 36,460 results when I type in Jordan. You're able to receive cash back like we discussed here. You're able to get these things at discounted price here. Okay, you're also able to share that product like I discussed with you on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or even through email. So somebody can make that purchase, okay, because they're in a different city, or they may be in a different country, okay. But now they have the ability to do that there, okay. As you can see here, it just goes on. I can keep scrolling down. There's 36,000 plus searches that come up, okay. And we can continue going and going and going. I just want to kind of give y'all a full, a little bit of overview so y'all can see some of the stuff that's provided there, okay. I wouldn't mind having those right now on my feet. All right, so now guys, this is real. This is a great opportunity. You can actually find me on Facebook under MC Adibe. Okay, that's M as in Michael, C as in Charlie, space, A as in Alpha, D as in Delta, I as in India, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo. MC Adibe. Obviously, my first name is right here, Michael Adibe. And I'm not going to deny this here. All I invested, all I paid one time was $99.95. That's all I paid. And I've made thousands of dollars from Wake Up Now, okay, since September. Now, there's ability for you to grow and make residual income that is unheard of. And that is on the compensation chart. And if you have interest in that, I can go into more detail. All you gotta do is inbox me and we can talk about the opportunity that's provided. But anybody that joins my team, they're gonna make nothing less than $600 a month because I'm gonna see to it. Provide the training, provide all the tools, provide the mentorship. We have everything that it takes for you to succeed. The only thing that's missing is you. All we need is you, all right? Everyone have a blessed day. Hopefully everyone enjoyed this here. You can find me on YouTube under my YouTube channel, Mike Adibe. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. And other than that, it was a pleasure for me to show everybody my site here. Everyone have a blessed and amazing day.